The new frontier of quantum technology, Picoscopy. Quantum picotechnologies. We are from Ukraine and we are making a quantum leap for humanity. Picoscopy is the latest technological breakthrough of the 21st century. Picoscopy as a part of quantum picotechnologies opens up new opportunities for business and technology companies and scientists, as well as industry and computer manufacturing technology based on the latest discoveries and the latest research in the field of quantum mechanics and control entanglement, which allows you to create a quantum leap in the development of technology for the manufacture of quantum computers based on the effect of spin-electron entanglement of electrons, the latest space materials that can be several times lighter but more refractory. Quantum technologies have made significant advances in recent years, and the field of picoscopy is no exception. As a part of quantum picotechnology, Picoscopy opens up new opportunities for businesses, technology companies, scientists, and industry. It is based on the latest discoveries and research in quantum mechanics and entanglement control, enabling a quantum leap in technology development. Quantum technologies have made significant advances in recent years, and the field of picoscopy is no exception. As a part of quantum picotechnology, Picoscopy opens up new opportunities for businesses, technology companies, scientists, and industry. It is based on the latest discoveries and research in quantum mechanics and entanglement control, allowing for a quantum leap in technology development. One of the most exciting aspects of Picoscopy is its potential to revolutionize the production of quantum computers. This is due to its ability to manipulate the spin-electron entanglement of electrons, which is key to the functioning of quantum computers. This entanglement manipulation makes Picoscopy so powerful and opens a new era in the development of quantum technologies. The impact of Picoscopy on the field of quantum technologies is significant and far-reaching. It has the potential to revolutionize not only the production of quantum computers, but also a wide range of industries, including computer manufacturing technology and industry. This new technology will enable the creation of faster and more efficient quantum computers, which will have a significant impact on the way we live and work. In conclusion, Picoscopy is an exciting new development in the field of quantum technology. Its ability to manipulate the entanglement of electrons and its potential to revolutionize the production of quantum computers make it a valuable tool for both business and industry. As the field of picoseconds